Namaste, children. Children, in previous class, we have learned divisibility tests up to 15. 11, 12, 14 is not there. 15, 13, 13 is a prime number. 14 we cannot learn. Go for 15. Total 15 divisible test we have learned. Now exercise 4b, I will give the homework. So in the last main, 8th main and 10th, 8th main and 9th main, I have left that these two mains. So now I will go for these two mains, solve the problems. Okay, you know the, so now the question has to be, I will read first now. Replace star by the smallest digit to make the following divisible by 3, divisible by 3. So using the divisibility test statement, then the numbers are given, one place is left, so that has to be put on the star is there. So replace that star, so we should write the one number, so smallest digit. So that number is divisible by 3, is divisible by 3. So I hope all of you understand. So replace the star, we should write the one smallest number, then that number is divisible by 3. Okay. Now, what is the divisibility test 3? So, sum of the digits is a multiple of 3 or divided by 3. The number is divisible by 3. So, okay. 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus, okay. So, we should write 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. So, okay. So, 16. So, it is not divisible by 3, but we should write one number. So which number add, the number is divided by 3 or multiple of 3? 16. So we cannot less, so we should write the number. So we should adding number, one number, smallest number we have to add, that number is get multiple of 3. 17 we have, or write 1 plus 1 we should add, so it is 17. It is not a multiple of 3. So now I should add plus 2. Yes, we have get 18. 18 is a multiple of, 18 is a multiple of 3. So 18 is divided by 3. Yes. So, okay. So we should write in that star 2. In that 2. So now same the rules we have applied the second one. Now here 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 11 plus 6, 17. Now, which number, how much you have to add? It get multiple of 3. So, 1. So, okay, 17 is there. So, we have to adding 1. It is getting 18. 18 is a multiple of 3 or 18 is divided by 3. So, now I should add 1. Add 1. So we should write in the textbook only, not for the HW. Okay. So we have understand it. Okay. 8 plus 7, 13. Sorry, 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So it is already in there. But one number you have. So it is already multiple of 3. So we should 18. So, so what should be add? The number is 18 as it is. So we have to adding 0. It getting 18. So now what I write now? It is a 4-digit number. We should write 0. We should write 0 in this place. So that number is divisible by 3. Okay. Next, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Which, how much number we should add in the, we get a multiple of 3? 1. Because 18. So all the numbers we should adding 18. Okay, that is a given questions are different. Sometimes like let it be. So it is 27. It is 30. Sometimes will be given. Okay, you have to prepare it. So which number should be add? It is replaced by star. So we, which number we have to put in the given number? It should, it is completely divisible by 3. ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we have go for divisibility 11. Replace the star by the smallest digit to make the following divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. So divisible by 11 means sum of the odd numbers and sum of the even digits, sum of the odd digits and sum of the even digits. Subtract if it is 0 or multiple of 11, or it is multiple of 11, the number is divisible by 11. So now, so we should write 4 star, we should write 3 2 7 1. Okay, so now it is odd even odd even odd even. Okay, so now we should write, so first odd numbers 4 plus 3 plus 7, 4 plus 8 okay, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14. Okay, now here even numbers we should add, even numbers we should add that number. Okay, now here 0, so it is 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, even, okay, even places 2 plus 1 3, sorry, yes, even digits, so it is odd, it is even. Okay, even, even is, where is that even? So here left you have 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, so we have get 3. Okay, so subtracted these two numbers, we have get the multiple of 11. So 14 subtracted 3, we have get 11. Yes, is a multiple of 11. 11 is a, 11 can be divided by 11. So now what should we have to adding? It is already we have getting the answer, but number is as it is 3, so we should write 0. We should write 0. Guruji, so we should add 0 in this number. 0 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 3. 3. So 14 plus 14 minus 3, we have get 11. So the answer is 0. So in this answer, we should add 0. So 4 lakh 3,271 is multiple is divided by 11. Next, I will go for second number. We should write here 0. Next, 2 2 star 0 9 7 8. So odd even odd even odd even odd. So first to add the odd digits. Okay, 2 plus, so we should write as it is. Okay, you should write as it is, plus okay, odd digit 9 9 plus 8, 9 plus 18, 9 plus 8 17, 7 plus 7 plus 2 19, 7 plus 2 19. So next it is odd over 2, so plus star 9 plus 8 19. Okay, next even, so even take 2 plus 0 plus 7, it is 9 9, 2 plus 9. Okay, even 2 plus 0 plus 7, it is 9. We have adding it, it is a multiple of uh, 2 plus odd digit 2 plus 17, 7 plus 2 19. Okay, wait 2 minutes, just wait for. Okay students, look at that, so it is cannot change anything. Okay, so here 19, here 9. Okay, even digits are correct. So now the subtract, we have get 11, we have get 11. So here 19, so 1 will be increased in this number, so we have get 20. So 20 less 9, we have 11. Okay, so now here star is there, we should replace 1, so we should write 1. Okay, in this number 1. So now what will we get? So here 20 plus 1 we have get 20. 20 minus 11, 20 minus 9, we have get 11. Yes, 11 is a multiple of 11. 11 is a multiple 11 on the 11. It can be divided. So now what we write? So here in this number we should write 1. We should write 1. Okay. So it is the answer. So 1 we should replace the in this star. So we have get 20. 20 less 9, we have get 11. 11 is a multiple of 11 is a multiple of 11. So 11 is completely divisible by 11. Next one. So third one. 2, okay, star 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. No. So now first odd. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Okay. 2 plus 4, 0, 0, is 4, 6 plus 8. So 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 2, 20. Next. Now again, even. Star, star, next, plus 5, plus, next, 7. 5 plus 7, 8. So now, so it is not 8 is there. So 8, so we should write smallest number, it get multiple of 11. So it is already 8. 5 plus, okay, 5 plus 7, 12, sorry. 5 plus 7, 12. 12. So now what number we should add? So it get multiple of 11. So now here 5 plus 7, 8 is there. So we can subtract it 0 or it is 11, multiple of 11. So it is 12 is there. How much should we add? We get 0. Yes, we should write add 8. So add 8, we have get 20. Yes, we have get 20. 20. 20 is less subtract 0. It is get answer 0. Yes, it is a multiple of 11. 0, 11, 0, the 0. So we should write here 8. We should write here 8. Now, last one question. Last one question. 2, 4, 7, 2, star 9. Okay. Now, take that odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Now, here, first to add even. 4 plus 2 plus 9. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. Next, odd. Okay, 2 plus 7 plus star. It is 9. It is 9. So, we can subtract 0. Or if it is multiple of 11. Multiple of 11, so if you write, no, it is not a multiple of 11. So, we cannot take it. So, it completely 0. So, now we should add 6. We have get it 15. Subtract it 15 minus 15. Let it 0. Let it 0. So, now it is a multiple of 11. Now, we should write here. What is that here? 6. Yes, it is 6. Look at that. This is the exercise 4th B, 8th and 9th man. You have to write the answers in the textbook only. Okay. Don't write in HW. Okay. Now I have introduced LCM. So sorry. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. HCF. Just I will go back to HCF. Highest common factor. I have to solve 3 problems. Remaining you should solve highest common factor. Now, students, now HCF, highest common factor. Another word is there, greatest common divisor, GCD. That is, we can also call as greatest common divisor. So, what is that highest common factor? So we have find the factors of the given number, then we can take the common factors, which are the common factors are there in the both the numbers, and then which one is the greatest number, that is the HCF. So we have to find the HCF using three methods. First one is take the common factors, then prime factorization method, another one is division method. We have using three methods in the fourth standard. So same the methods, but here division method is just one small changes will be there. Okay, so look at that. First today only common factors, today only write the common factors of find the HCF. Okay, so we have using three methods. First one is common factors, common factors. Second one is prime factorization method. method Next, finally, division method. Division method. So, so first I have do for write the common factors. So I will go for exercise. Just one example. After that, I will go for the exercise. I will take a 36 and 48. Find the HCF. Find the HCF is asking. Find the HCF. So take the common factors 36, 48. Factors of 36 and 48, write it. Okay, 38, 1 can be divided. 2, how much the 36? 2, 18 the 36. Next 3, yes, 3, 12 the, is it right? 3, 12 the. Next one, 4, yes, 4, 9 the. Next, how much? Next, 2, 3, 12, 4, 9. It is enough. So 36 only. It is itself number. Let me net taken. So 1 how much to 48? Okay, 148 the 48. Okay, 2. So 2 how much the 224 the. Next 3, yes, 316 the. Okay, next one 412 the. Next 5, it is cannot be divided. 6, yes, 68 the. Okay, so here 6 also we can subtract it. 6 6 is 36. 6 is a multiple of 36. 6 is a multiple of 36. Okay, next one 8. Next one 48, 24 is there. Next to 24 2 the is the over 336 the 4 12 the 6 8 the 48. 9 cannot be divided. 7, yes, 7 cannot be divided. 7 6 the 42, 7 7 the 49 is there. Let me tell. Okay, it is enough for 48. Next, write the common factors. Here 1, here 1, here 2, here 2. Next to here 3, here 3. Next, here 4, 4, 12, 12, 6, 6. These are the common factors. We should write it. Common factors of 36. Common factors. Common factors. Let me take on 1, 2. Next one 3, 4. Next one 4, 6. Next one 12. Is it right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Is it right? Now, in this common factor, which one which is greater? Which one, which value, which number is greater? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. In these numbers, in these common factors, which one is greater? 12. Yes, 12 is the greater. So now HCF is 12. That is the answer. That is the answer. We should write it. Okay. First, we can take the common factors of the given numbers, and then so take the common factors. So and then which one is the greater? That is the HCF of the given numbers. Okay. This is the common factor. Now another one, prime factorization. It is, we can take the common factors. Okay, so which one is common in the both the numbers? So we can take the prime factors only. So let me, we have get the HCF. So this is the answer. Okay, so we should solve the prime factors. Okay, you should follow the common factors. Now I have to go for solve the exercise. Some again two problems I have to solve, remaining you have to solve in the first main. Okay, students, now, so it is a exercise question 230. Next one 310 and 415. Find the HCF using the common factors. Using the common factors. So take the 230 first. Write the factors of 230. Next 310 and 415. Write the factors. Then find next. Then common factors has to be taken. And which one is the greater? That is the HCF. So now first find out the factor. So one is a factor of every number. One can be divided. Next, 2, how much 230? 2, it is an even number. It is divided by 230. Check that. 2, how much the 230? 2 1 the 2, 0, 3. Okay, 2 1 the 2. Next, 1, 10, 2 5 the 10. So, 2 115 the 230. 2 115 the 230. Next, check the 3. Check the 3. 3 can be divided. 2 plus 3, 5. It is not divided by 3. Next, can we check 4? The last two digit number is 4. For two digit number is 30. 4 can be divided 30. No, 4 7 the 28 is there. 4 cannot be divided. Next, 5. Yes, it is divided. 5, how much the 230? Check that. 5, 230. 5 for the 20. 3 remaining. 0, 5 6 the 30. Yes, it is divided. Okay, 5 46 the 230. Next 7, no. 7 cannot be divided. Yes, 8, no. It cannot be divided. 9, no. 2 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. It is not divided. 9. Okay, 10 can be divided. 10, how much the 10 to 30, 23 the 10 to 10, 10 to 23 the 230. So last one is itself number 230 is divided. Next 310. 1, 2, how much 2, 3, 310. 2 1 the 2. So 1 11. 2 5 the 10. 1 remaining. 2 5 the 10. 2 5 the 10. 2 155. 155 the 310. Next 4, no. 3, 3 plus 1 4. 3 cannot be divided. 5 can be divided. Yes. 5, how much the 5, how much the 310? 5 6 is 30. 1 remaining. 5 to the 10. I am directly using. Next 6 cannot be divided. Next 7, no. 8, 9, 10. 10 has to be divided. 10, how much the 10 31 the. So last one is 310. Itself number. 1 and itself number is a factor of every number. So okay, next one 415. 415. Next 1 can be divided. So 2, it is a odd number. 2 cannot be divided. 3, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Yes, 3 can be divided. 3 1 the 3. 3 1 the 3. Next 1 remaining. 3 3 the 9. 2. Sorry. So 3 cannot be divided. Sorry. It is 10 totally. 5 plus 1, 4. 4. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. It is not divided. 4 cannot be divided. Next to 5. Yes. 5 8 the 40. 5 8 the 40. 1 remaining. 15. 5 3 the 15. Next 6. No. 7. So 8. Yes, it is not divided. 9. No. 10. 10 and 8 cannot be divided. Only 0 is there in the ones place. It is divisible by 10. Okay. Next finally 450. Okay, now write the common factors. Common factors of these numbers. Okay, here one common, here one, here one. So three having one common. Next one, both the numbers having two. No, it is not there. Okay, next one, ಮೂರು ನಂಬರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ 115, here 155. ನೋ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 5 is there. 5, 5. Yes, 1 and 5 are the common factor. Which one is greater here? The two numbers having, which one is greater? Which one is greater? Which one is greater? 1 or 5? HCF is 5. HCF is 5. Okay, so taken the common factors and then find out the HCF. ಎಲ್ಲದು common factors ತಗೋಬೇಕು, factors ತಗೊಂಡು divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Divide. So you have now the divisible test of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, all the divisible test you know. So check the divisible test and find out the factors, and we have get the common factors and which one is the greater HCF is. You should write it. Then I have go for next one question. Okay, it is a third one question. Okay, find 120, 120 and 156. Find the HCF using the common factors. 120, then 156. Okay, 1 taken. 1 is a factor of every number. 120 the 120. Next, 2 is divided. 2 how much the 120? 2 6 the 12. 2 0 the 0. 260 the 120. Next 3 S. S 3 how much the 40? 3 4 the 12. 3 0 the 0. Next 4 S. 4 how much the 120? 4 1 the 4 3 the 4 0 the 430 the 120. Next 5 S. 5 can be divided. 5 to the 10. Next 5 4 the 20. 524 the 120. Next 6 can be divided. Yes, 620 the 120. Next 10 can be divided. Yes, 10 how much the 10 12 the. Next 8 1 8 2 8 can be divided. 7 cannot be divided. 8 2 yes, 8 15 the 120. 8 15 the 120. 8 15 the 120. Next to 15 8 the 120. Yes. Next 9 9 plus 3. Okay, 9 cannot be divided. 10 as 10 over already. Okay, you have to leave it. Now I will go for 120. Next, check the 156. 1 2 can be divided. It is even number. Yes, it is divided. 2 how much the 2 7 the 14. 1 remaining 16. 2 8 the 16. 278 the 156. Next 3 can be checked. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 1 12. Yes, 12 is a multiple of 3. So 3 can be divided. 3 how much the 156? 3 5 the 15. 3 5 the 15. 3 to the 6. 352 the 156. 4 as 4 can be divided. 4 how much the 4 3 the 12. 4 3 the 12. 3 remaining 36. 4 9 the 36. Next 5 no divide. 7 7 cannot be divided. 7 to the 14. 7 cannot divide. 8 8 can be divided. 8 1 the 8 2. 76. 8 to the 16. 8 1 the cannot be divided. Check it. 156 156 8. 8 1 the 8 2. 76. 8 9 the 72 cannot divide. S cannot be divided. Next to 9 S it is not divided. 10 no. I will go for directly 156. Okay, write the common factors. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 120 and 156. Which are the common factors? So here 1, here 1, 2, 2. Next one as 3, 3. Next as 4, 4. Next 6, 6 to 6 to the 6 is there. 6 can be divided. 6 is a multiple of 156. 6, how much the 156? Can be check 6. I will directly 156. 6 cannot check. Okay. 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12, 36. 6 6 is 36. 6 626 is a 156. 7 cannot be divided. 8. Okay, leave it. So okay, next one. 5 is not there. 6 is there. Yes, 6. Okay, write the common factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Is it right? Okay. Which one is HCF? HCF is what? Highest common factor? 6. 6 is the highest common factor. So HCF is 6. 6, 120 the 620 the 120. 626 the 156. Okay. This HCF divide these two numbers. So that is called as HCF. Okay. 620 the 120. 626 the 156. So so I have to solve two problems, C and F. Exercise 4C. Remaining four problems is there. The four problems are very easy. Okay, you have to do in the homework. Okay, I hope all of you understand all the concept. Okay, students, so you have to solve exercise 4C. Dhanyavad.